The other day, I was going to send several $100s worth of an ERC20 token to another wallet. I didn't in the end because the gas fees were $80 just to send the transaction. This is ridiculous. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about a project that has no gas fees and fixes many of the problems that Ethereum has. In addition, I'm also going to tell you what Charles Hoskinson has to say about this project. So make sure you stay all the way through to the end so you can hear that. And I'm going to tell you how you can get a free application that will give you some of the professional features that TradingView has. And you'll be able to buy and sell and trade across multiple exchanges safely and securely and easily. This is my BitTube channel. Please come and subscribe to me on BitTube, censorship-resistant platform. You can also find me on Odyssey, Lbry, and Bitchute. Follow me on Twitter, CryptoRichYT, and join my official Telegram announcements channel. All the links in the description below.
TokenMetrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams.
Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. This video is about a project that is a member of the BPSAA, the Blockchain Privacy, Security and Adoption Alliance. This is a group of projects that get together, collaborate in order to further privacy, security, and adoption. It includes Pirate Chain and Sentinel and Burstcoin and Ergo platform and Turtle Network and Ether1 and Komodo and Dragon Chain and Bitchute. And this one is about Ergo platform. Welcome to Smart Money. Ergo builds advanced cryptographic features and radically new DeFi functionality on the rock-solid foundations laid by a decade of blockchain theory and development. Now, I have featured Ergo before. I do hold some Ergo. I'm hoping to get some more Ergo. I think it's a fabulous project, not least because of what Charles Hoskinson of Cardano says about it, but because of the design, the ethos behind it, it's decentralized, and how it's an improvement on what Ethereum offers. Now, this is an article from Shiraz Jagati. He is one of the community of Ergo. Ergo is a decentralized project, doesn't have an organization behind it, and it's kind of run by volunteers. It's a proof of work coin. And this article talks about how Ergo is going to fix what Ethereum can't. It's no secret that the Ethereum ecosystem is broken, especially with the platform being plagued with rising congestion and gas fee issues on a near daily basis. I mean, tell me your horror stories with Ethereum gas fees. Put them in the description below. And while the altcoins dev team has been promising big things for many months now, the fact of the matter remains that an increasing number of DeFi projects built atop the ecosystem, such as Harvest Finance, Yield App, Value DeFi, have continued to expand their operations to other blockchains. Now, this also goes for Sentinel. They've just moved over onto Cosmos mainnet. Now, I don't think it's for the gas fees. I think it's because Cosmos mainnet is interoperable. Now, Ethereum, smart and wonderful that it is, it's kind of old and clunky. You know, I could liken it to a Model T Ford. And we've got new blockchains that are like fast and zippy, like Lambos and Ferraris and everything, that do what the Model T Ford does, but a whole lot more efficiently. And one of those contenders could be Ergo, an advanced UTXO-based blockchain protocol that has been built to serve as an efficient and secure financial contracts platform, offering its users a radical twist to traditional DeFi functionality. Ergo provides a clear solution for Ether's gas problem, which in essence is not really a prerequisite for a smart contract platform if a scripting language is rich enough. Now, there are many other platform protocols that don't have gas fees, and Ergo is one of them. Ergo's native programming language, aka Ergo script, enables the development of Turing complete contracts that completely bypass the need for any gas fee, while providing other peripheral benefits such as estimation of script complexity before execution, a facet that helps in the active prevention of DOS attacks. Now, often in my travails across the blockchain, meeting other projects and stuff and learning about them, I come across this phrase, Turing complete. And each time I forget the significance of it and what it means. Now, Turing complete is a feature of certain programming languages, and it's named after the computer programmer Alan Turing, who happens to be right next to me. Now, after a bit of digging around and looking at different definitions, I found this one, which I think really works for me as a layperson. I hope you'll find it useful. And I'll link to this and everything else in the description below. Informally speaking, being Turing complete means that your mechanism can run any algorithm you could think of, no matter how complex, deep, recursive, complicated, long in terms of code it is, and no matter how much storage or time would be needed to evaluate it. It goes without saying that it only succeeds if the problem is computable, but if it is computable, it will succeed. So there you go. A Turing complete programming language can run any algorithm whatsoever, any computer problem. And what does that mean for Ergo? Well, the number of use cases associated with decentralized financial ecosystem has been growing at a rapid pace over the last few months. Stablecoins, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and Oracle pools being some of the many offshoots to emerge from the fast-evolving space recently. Ergo's unique proof-of-work architecture, it's a mineable coin called AutoKailos, coupled with its Turing complete smart contracts, ensures that users are provided with seamless access to a number of advanced features, including zero knowledge proofs, adjustable block size, etc. Now, to further elaborate on what sets AutoKailos apart from the rest of the fray is the fact that while most proof of work protocols feature certain intrinsic drawbacks, for example, they allow ASIC miners to produce blocks substantially faster than regular CPU, GPU miners, AutoKailos does not feature any such potential points of failure, thereby eliminating the advantage that ASICs traditionally hold. Ergo's native Sigma architecture allows for it to implement privacy protocols and features, and that then allows for a high degree of privacy, but also ensures that the ecosystem security isn't compromised in the slightest. For example, Ergo Mixer is a service that can mesh a number of different streams of potentially identifiable cryptos, allowing for the trustless mixing of funds. As a result, users can send their tokens worldwide without anyone knowing the details of their personal transactions. Backed by some of the industry's best, the Ergo team features some of the brightest minds operating within the global crypto ecosystem today. Alexander Chaponoy, aka Kushti, and I've interviewed him on my channel several times, and I'm hoping to have him on my channel again soon. The co-founder of Ergo possesses more than 15 years in software development. Prior to his work with Ergo, he served as the co-founder of smartcontract.com, later rebranded as Chainlink, as well as a core developer for the open source cryptocurrency and payment network NXT. And I'm going to be letting you know what Charles Hoskinson has to say about Alex Chaponoy. Dmitry Meshkov, co-founder and a core dev team member for Ergo, holds a PhD in physics and possesses more than a decade worth of experience in software development. In the past, he's worked for a number of prominent crypto projects, including ScoreX, and was even an R&D researcher at IOHK, with his prime focus being the creation of a blockchain prototyping framework. Other core members of the Ergo team include Alexander Slesarenko, Robert Kornacki, and Mike Askarin, all of whom have previously worked for established tech players, including Huawei, Siemens Business Services, Gazprom, and Yandex. Ergo has been repeatedly praised for its novel design and immense potential by many from within the industry, with Charles Hoskinson, co-founder of Ethereum and Cardano, hailing Ergo as one of the most interesting and exciting projects in the crypto space. Not only that, Hoskinson has also time and again referred to Chaponoy as his favorite technologist. Now that's interesting. You see how Ethereum and Cardano have blown, and not just in terms of their price, but also their market cap and the space that they occupy within the crypto sphere generally, in terms of people talking about them, the level of interest that there is in them, what they're creating in terms of applications being built on top of them. Could Ergo platform be where Ethereum was at its beginning stages when many people didn't know about it, or where Cardano was at its beginning stages? Let me know what you think in the description below. Now, if you're into Cardano, you may find this channel useful and interesting. Crypto Adapter, I shall link to this in the description below. And if Crypto Adapter, if you're watching this, please reach out to me. And what he does on this channel is take little clips of Charles Hoskinson talking about Cardano and other issues. And it's really, really useful and accessible. And one of these videos is this, Charles Hoskinson on what does the Ergo connection mean? Now, it's only 2 minutes and 54 seconds long. I'm not going to play all of it, just a few key extracts, but I invite you to go and watch it on Crypto Adapter's channel. So here, just have a couple of inserts.
Every chain has a shtick. And so Ergo's shtick is that you have this incredibly brilliant team led by Alex Chaponoy. He used to work with us and still occasionally publishes papers with us. But basically, Ergo is an experimental cryptocurrency to study concepts like non-outsourceable puzzles, which means you can't do mining pools. Things like Sigma protocols used in scripting. Things like proof of no pre-mine. Things like UTXO decay. So you can actually melt down small balance UTXO things. So a lot of these things that have been floating around in literature for a while, or Alex had come up with, basically he created something extremely interesting to go and play around with that. So it's a very exciting project. I've always liked Ergo. It's very small. Market cap is only like 4.6 million or something, and a very small community, but they're growing and they're definitely good actors. And I love working with Alex. All the time we've spent together has always been productive.
Now, this is the Atani app, and I've downloaded it from the website. The link, if you want to download it, is bit.ly/Atani Crypto Rich. It's completely free. And what it does, it allows you to connect up to 22 exchanges currently using API keys so that you can buy and sell from your different exchanges just from inside the application. Your cryptocurrencies are never held inside the Atani application. They remain on the secure exchanges that you're using, but it makes it easier because I don't have to keep going from logging into Binance and then logging into Kraken and then logging into this one or that one to work out what the best price is. I can just look at it from one application, as I'll show you in a moment. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just connecting the exchanges, and it's this simple. I click on the add. I'm going to add zb.com by clicking on that, add exchange. Now, if I wanted to connect the exchange, I would put in the API key, which I'd get from my account within zb.com, and the secret key, and then click on connect exchange. But right now, I'm just adding them for the charting features. Remember, this is completely free. And there it is, zb.com. Now, it is a very attractive looking application, and they're constantly doing upgrades. It's backed by venture capital funds. There's no token or anything like that. And that's how come it happens to be free right now. They may introduce a freemium model later on, but right now it's free, and it includes a lot of the features on TradingView that you would need to pay for. Now I'm in the chart tab. Let me put in here ERG, and here you can see the ERG/USDT on gate.io. This looks a little bit bearish. We have ERG at $2.45.99 currently, and this is concerning. I can see the lows and the highs. I can add different indicators. I just added the ADX, average directional indicator, and you can see it's looking very bearish right now. Let's have a look on CoinEx. CoinEx, the price is $2.82. It has bounced up from lows of $1.73, still looking a little bit bearish, but this is good. And once I connect it through the API keys, I don't need to leave this application. I can do buys and sells from within here by going to the trade tab. Now, if I wanted to, I could click on the trade tab, and then I can buy and sell ERG from CoinEx or Gate.io from within this application. The coins would remain on whichever exchange I bought them from, and then I can withdraw them whenever I want to, or I can sell them later. This is especially good if you want to compare prices, if you don't want the hassle of going in and out of different exchanges, and also if you want to buy and sell in order to trade. Plus, it's completely free. Click on the link in the description below. All right, let me know about ERG, comments, questions. If you have any questions for Kushti, for Alex Chiporno, when I do interview him, let me know in the description below. If you hold ERG, please give me the ticker symbol ERG. If you'd like me to do more videos on ERG or any of the other BPSAA projects or any others, just give me the ticker symbols, and then I will know. The more comments I get, the more likely I am to cover those projects. Now, between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with crypto profits. This is Crypto Rich signing out. All the best. Bye-bye.